Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. I have my Ipsy Glambag Plus. If you saw my Ipsy Ultimate, we're going to hold out a lot more hope for this Plus because I picked one of the products in here and I know it's a good one. So let's see what I've got. In case you're new to Ipsy, I'll wrap this up as quickly as I can. There are now 3 Ipsy Glambags. The original Glambag that used to be $10, where you get approximately 5 deluxe sample sizes, sometimes full sizes thrown in, for $12. Used to be $10. They now have the Ipsy Glambag Plus, where you get 5 full-size products, $25. And they have added the Ipsy Ultimate. I'll put my video up here in case you'd like to go see what that's all about. It is $50. It is supposed to come with 8 full-size products and 4 samples. There seems to, at this point, be a little question as to whether that is what happened. Feel free to go over and check out my video if you'd like more information about that. But today, we are just going to get into my Ipsy Glambag Plus, which I have always liked. So let's see what I've got. When we open it up, oh look, they've changed this one too to match the bigger one. It says Discover Yourself, and this one has that same orange foam that the other one had, and that is what the inside of my box looks like. So let's see what we've got. Okay, first off, we have the card pamphlet with the products I received on the inside, and the front says, Flaunt It. And the back is talking about, don't forget, the choice is yours, and that on the 23rd of the month, in your Ipsy Glambag Plus, you can select one of the products, which is what I did this month. They give you a few options, and the earlier in the day you do it, the more options you have, but they give you a few options about what you think you would like, and I'll show you what I picked when we get to it. Okay, right on top we have, and I'm going to start with this because I'm not going to swatch it, the Dr. Brandt Microderm Abrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. I have had this, I have used this. This is probably the pricey hero product in this box, and unfortunately I can't use it. It is a $79 value. I know that because I've seen it out in the real world, and it is just too exfoliating. The grain in it is just too much for my skin, and this says that it is like a trip to the dermatologist in a jar. It's a tube. A mixture of lactic acid and microcrystals slough away the day to reveal brighter, tighter skin. A soothing blend of jojoba, chamomile, and aloe vera help reduce redness. Wow, look at that glow. And it has a $79 value. I'm going to go ahead and leave this sealed because I will want to pass it along. Next I have Jules Smith Beauty Power Gloss Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. And this is what the box they look like comes in. And let's take them out and look at them. Okay, so we have 2 colors here. They're super pretty. This one seems a little warm. This one seems perfect for me. So let's see what the pamphlet says. From Jewelry to Beauty, founder Gina Negrelli Smith knows how to shine. This pair of rosy crystal-inspired glosses from Jules Smith Beauty give high shine moisture with vitamin A and E and a hint of shimmer. Interesting. Well, let's see. And it says they have a $32 value. So this is Serene Queen. It's just a pretty kind of light pinkish color. Super pretty. Mostly gloss. Oh, let's see what it smells like. It doesn't smell like anything nice. Oh, that sounded wrong. It doesn't smell like cupcakes or mint or anything like that. It has a slightly makeup-y smell. They are not my favorite smell, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't smell bad. And then that one, which is super warm. I'm surprised they call this rosy. That is very, I don't know if it's coming across, but it has a real fall feel to it. I mean, it may get somewhere in the fall, so that's kind of fun. Okay, let's get in here and see what I've got next. Sticking with the warm theme, I have bronzers. Lovecraft Beauty bronzer. I got blushes by this same brand a couple of boxes, oh, Probably been several months ago. And this is the bronzer. Oh my goodness. Wowzy. Yeah, I'm not swatching this. You'll see why in a second. This, well, see, that looks lighter there. Okay, that's stinking light. There you go. That's closer to true. They are darker in person than when I do this. That makes them look much lighter than they are. They are closer to this darkness. See, compared to my skin. Very dark. So I will set this aside in case, you know. But it is very pretty. They are, wow. I would love to tell you the names of these. Let's go with Cymbeline, Suniva, and Aditya. Here, I'll show you. You guys can decide. How would you say those 3 words? Yeah, me too. All right, let's see what the paperwork says about this palette. Inspired by New Orleans mysticism, makeup artist and founder Francelle Daly believes beauty is a connection to your inner magic. These matte bronzers easily blend and build to a natural sun-kissed glow and deftly double as eyeshadows. Interesting. All right, it says they have a $30 value. So this is an awesome box. Unfortunately, some of the colors aren't perfect for me, which is unusual for Ipsy. Let's go with this next. Tracee Powder Stick All Over Starlighter. Well, this sounds promising. How fun does that look? Let's see what this says. Designed for life on the go, Tracee creates multi-purpose crayons that travel with ease. The twist-up powder highlight sweeps onto cheeks, eyes, and the body for an ethereal ultraviolet glow. And it has an $18 value. Well, let's get in here and see what this looks like. I got it in ultraviolet. That sounds like me. Oh, so cute. How cute is that chunky little thing? It's just cute. And top just screws off. And oh, it's got stars. I hope, yeah, there you go. It's got pretty stars on the top. So pretty. Shall we just swipe it and see what happens? Why not? Okay, you guys see the purple? I have to make a match now. I will blend this out with a brush, but I hope you guys can see the purple in that. It is right here. Oh, that's kind of fun. That is, I mean, it's got a little purple. I actually have a ColourPop Super Shock highlighter that is very close to this color. Well, that's kind of fun. I will definitely play with that. Oh, and they have put at the bottom, and I will show this before I go any further, our bag for the month. And it is, in case you did not watch my other video, the same bag that came in the Ipsy Ultimate. And it is black with a Betty Boop on the front and sequins on the back. They go up, but they don't reveal anything. But that's kind of fun. And it has, its little pull has a little metallic red heart on it. And the inside is just a bright red, and it shows the Betty Boop X Ipsy. I mean, it's kind of a cute one. Some people are not loving it, but I tend to carry black purses and black cosmetic cases. So this is awesome for me. And last but not least, another Betty Boop product. And it is the product that I chose from the myriad of choices that we have. And it is the Betty Boop That's So Betty eyeshadow palette. So let us get in here and see what this looks like. I am really excited for this because from the pictures online, it looked cool. We'll see. This is what the front of the case looks like. Now let's open this baby up. It is totally cool. I love this palette. I hope the swatching and then using doesn't disappoint. I'll show you guys. I need to cover it up with something. I'm gonna blow you out with a mirror. There we go. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. I love, I mean, this little guy is going to be so much fun to play with. It's just really pretty. Let's read about it and see what they say. Betty Boop X Ipsy That's So Betty eyeshadow palette. I just love saying that. I don't know why. $30 value. So again, it more than covered the cost of the box. Inspired by the iconic beauty muse Betty Boop This Ipster exclusive eyeshadow palette is here to help you obsess over you. With 8 buildable hues like shimmery champagne, powdery pink, and rich plum, these velvety shadows glide onto your lids with ease. All right, now that I have my glasses on, let's look at them a little better. And we have, I would say, these 4 and this one are all some degree of satin, shimmer, sparkly. And then these 3 are pretty much matte. They feel really creamy. Let's see what we get. Let's swatch them. And, oh, I have lips on the back of my hand. Let me get rid of that. I'll be right back. Okay, let's swatch them on the back of my hand. I just had to go wipe off that lip gloss we tried. So the bottom ones with the matte, 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 shiny. Oh, I like that. But they are not matte, 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 shiny. They are matte, matte-ish, shimmery, shiny. They're really pretty. I like how basic these colors are. These are real everyday colors for me. I wish that probably all 3 of these were mattes, but they're really pretty. Let's try the top ones. So we've got the champagne color, and then a gold, and then a pinky purple, but very light, and then that bright pink. Let's do those here. You almost can't see this, which finger? This pinky purple one. Yeah, that's going to be actually, that'll be good for right at the inside corner, but that is what those colors look like. I love this. I'm so going to use this. So it's very pretty. It will be nice to see how they apply, how they build, what the quality of the powder is, but they're really pretty colors. I like those colors a lot. They're hard to see, but I like them. So that is my Ipsy Glambag Plus for this month, and I'm happy with it. I received the Betty Boop eyeshadow, the Lovecraft bronzer, the Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion, the cute little Tracee purple hued highlighter, and these 2 Jules Smith lippies. And the value was, food for thought, this was a $25 box, and I got $189 worth of goodies. And my ultimate was a $50 box, and I got maybe $250. Maybe. That said, I think that it's definitely Ipsy Plus. I'm going to give the ultimate another month try, but the Plus is a definite for me. I really like what you get for what you spend. I think it's a great value. So $189 worth of product for $25, you can't beat it. I mean, you just can't beat it. Even if just one of these products works for you, most of them are worth more than the cost of the box, the only exception being this cute little highlighter. So let me know below. I was kind of wondering, what do you guys think? What do you think about the Ipsy X, like this is Betty Boop, last time it was Tetris? What are you guys thinking about the actual products that Ipsy is producing? I'd like to know what you guys think about it. This Betty Boop seems really cute, and I kind of like the bags and stuff, so let me know below what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.